Hello guys, today we will learn how to start promotion. So promotion is usually used if you're launching a new product on Amazon. So how to use promotion and what all types are there in promotion. So basically if you're launching a new product, you can start with 1+1, which is buy one and get one, or you can give exclusive discount, promotional discount. So the start date and the end date you can select. Promotion is usually used to launch your new product on Amazon. So let's check how you can start your promotions. So for that you need to first come on Amazon Seller Central, click on this three line, advertisement, and click on promotions. So you will get multiple options. First one is create a promotion. In create a promotion you will get two type of option. Percentage off means if you are promoting 25% off or 30% off, or another one is buy one and get one. So apart from the second option is manage your promotion. If you are running any promotions, so automatically it would be there. So if you want to edit anything, you can go to manage your promotion and edit your promotions. So we will create both of these promotions, right? So first we will create, so percentage off, create a percentage off discount. Step one, condition. So first one is buyer purchase at least this quantity of item, or at least amount, or for every quantity item purchased. So here it means if the buyer is purchasing an amount for minimum of 500 rupees, then only will get this promotion, or at least this quantity of item means at least he is purchasing one product, then only will get the promotion, or at least he is purchasing 5 products. So it's totally up to you. So I will select at least the quantity and I will select one, because if a buyer is selecting one, then the promotion is applicable to that buyer. Purchased item, so it can be select one or entire catalog. You can decide which promotion in which product you want to give. For now I am selecting entire catalog. So if I'm a new seller, I want to start with a boom on Amazon, I will select my entire catalog. So I want every product to give me good sales, and this will help me in my business report, as I will know which product is performing how much. After that is buyer gets. So here it is percentage off. So how much percentage you want to give, as we are in percentage off promotion. So I'm mentioning 35%. Apply to. So it is purchased item or qualified item. So it is purchased item. Set your budget. So the budget value should be between 100 to 5 crore. This is not the amount which you are going to pay. So this is the amount which you are going to give discount. For example, if I am giving 35% discount and my selling price is 1000 rupees, that means in each product which is sold I am giving a discount of 350 rupees. So what is my maximum budget? Till then I can give discount. So if I write here 3500, that means up to 10 products I am able to give discount. So I will mention here 35,000 till up to 100 orders I am able to give discount. If I scroll down, it is tires. Buyer purchase at least quantity of one, buyer gets percentage discount of 35. Okay, if you want to add additional, so at least if they purchase 2, they will get a discount of 40%, and if they purchase 3, they will get a discount of 50%. It's totally an optional. If you want to increase your sales in quantity, you can obviously use this. So this buyer who wanted to buy one, now it's going to purchase 2 or 3. So in the end it is your profit if you are getting a double amount of order in a single purchase. So if you scroll down, now you have to select scheduling. So what should be the start date and end date? So you need to select both. So start date would be from tomorrow, and end date I will run for at least 1 week. So I want to know whether this promotion is performing good or no. If you are a new seller, please run your promotion for at least a month. Promotional title, again it is totally up to you. You can select anything. The third step is additional information. So first one is claim code. So it is for single use. For example, if you are creating a code, so a customer can use it only for one time. It is for group use, that it can be used by multiple people. Single use means if they use this code for once, after that your promotion is closed. In group means if you are creating a code, then you can share that code to your friends and family or all over the marketplace, or you can advertise that code and they can use this code and get discount. And third one is none. Any customer who is in Amazon who is selecting your product will get that promotional discount. So it's totally up to you. If you want to use your promotion for just only one time use, then you can select one time use, group, and none. So it is preferable you use none, okay, because we want all the customers who is interested in our product should get the discount. After that, the last option is detail page display text. This is the display text which you will write, it will show in our product. So I have written here exclusive discount. You can use your own keyword, you can find some more attractive line or words and use over here. And after that you need to click on review. So they will show you exact everything whatever you have selected, and then you need to click on submit. Now your promotional code for the percentage is officially scheduled, and from tomorrow your promotion will start running. Now we will start with buy one and get one. Now we will try this buy one and get one promotion. So click on buy one get one promotions. So again, so both have the same type of question. So I will go a bit faster in this one. Buyers purchase at least, so it should be at least 1% purchase item my entire catalog, because I am a new seller. I want each and every product on my category to get good reviews and good views, good page visit and good sales. Buyers get free item. So here it is showing me buyers get free item because we are offering buy one and get one. In percentage, buyer get percentage discount was the option here, free item. Applied to purchased item. Set your budget. If I am selling my product for 1000 rupees, so here buy one get one means if a buyer purchase a product for 1000 rupees, he will get another product worth 1000 rupees for free. So here if I write 10,000 means up to 10 orders I am able to bear. So here I will mention 1 lakh rupees. So up to 100 orders my campaign would be active. If I scroll down, buyer benefit applied to the quantity of 1 when purchase item 1. I don't want if they purchase 2 they will get 2. I want more number of customers over here, because this ad is for getting to more customer. There is no point just selling one customer 10 products. So there is not a point. I want, when I use buy one get one, that means I want to reach to more customers. So at that time I will select just one over here. What would be the start date? It would be from tomorrow till 1 week. I want to know whether people are interested in my buy one get one offer. After in claim, again select none, because I want all the Amazon customer to use this promotion and be benefited. And then click on preview. So after submitting, they will show us what all things we have selected, and after that click on submit, and our buy one get one promotion is active. So make sure when you want to reach to more customers and you want to show them you offer good products, then you can select buy one get one. And you just want to increase your visibility and you want to reach to new customers and you want to increase the sales. As you are a new seller in Amazon, then you can select percentage of promotion also. So this is one of the type of advertising. So make sure whenever you're using such promotion, you don't pause your advertising, because advertising plays its own role and this plays its own role. So both have their own market. So please make sure when you are starting with one, you don't pause the another one. That's all for today. I guess you have learned everything about promotion, and when you are starting in Amazon, or if you are already selling on Amazon, you do use this promotion to acquire new customers and give them great offers so that they can purchase your product, and you're increasing your visibility as well.